Hey friends! Choosing a high-quality oil filter is the easiest way to protect your engine and ensure its peak long-term performance. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car oil filter in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Purolator Car Oil Filter. The Purolator 1 model stands as a high-density synthetic blend solution that provides a fantastic balance of advanced filtration and long-term durability. It is designed to capture 99% of engine-damaging dirt, ensuring that your motor stays clean and efficient for up to 15,000 miles between changes. This filter is uniquely equipped with a PTFE-treated gasket, which offers a much more secure and heat-resistant seal compared to basic rubber alternatives on the market. Its silicone anti-drainback valve is specifically engineered to maintain oil flow and prevent wear during those critical seconds of an engine startup. The internal construction features a high-flow center tube that facilitates excellent oil circulation while maintaining its shape under tough operating conditions. For the driver who wants a high-performance filter that allows for extended service intervals without a premium price tag, this is a consistently reliable and easy-to-install choice that delivers peace of mind. Next up, our second product, the Fram Car Oil Filter. The Extra Guard engine filter serves as a trusted and dependable shield for vehicles used in everyday driving scenarios. It utilizes a sophisticated blend of cellulose and glass fibers to achieve a filtration efficiency that traps roughly 95% of dirt and debris. This specific model is rated to provide consistent engine protection for up to 10,000 miles, making it a perfect match for those who follow standard maintenance intervals. A standout structural feature is the SureGrip non-slip coating on the exterior, which provides a much better handle for easy installation and removal without the tool slipping. Inside, a high-quality silicone anti-drainback valve ensures that oil stays in the filter when the car is off, providing 3 times better resistance to heat than standard rubber. It's a solid, practical choice that balances affordability with the proven engineering required to keep your everyday commuter running efficiently. Coming in at number 3, the Delco Car Oil Filter. As a genuine factory-grade component, this filter is meticulously designed to meet the exact high-flow standards required by modern General Motors engines. It utilizes proprietary DuraGuard media to provide high filtration efficiency and a massive capacity for holding onto harmful dirt particles over time. A critical safety feature is the rear-mounted nylon poppet bypass valve, which is precisely calibrated to ensure your engine bearings always receive oil during pressure changes. Using the correct bypass setting is vital for preventing the circulation of unfiltered oil that can cause accelerated internal wear. These filters undergo rigorous testing by GM engineers to ensure they fit perfectly and perform reliably across Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac platforms. This is the definitive choice for owners who want to maintain their vehicle's original factory performance levels and long-term reliability using parts that are guaranteed to match their engine's specific mechanical requirements. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the K&N Car Oil Filter. This high-performance filtration unit is specifically engineered to cater to drivers who demand exceptional oil flow without compromising on protection. It features a pleated synthetic blend media that is designed to capture the majority of harmful contaminants while allowing for a much faster supply of oil to your engine's internal components. This model is fully compatible with synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils, making it a highly versatile choice for modern vehicles. Beyond its impressive internal specs, it includes a signature wrench-off design, which allows for incredibly quick and easy removal using a standard tool during your routine maintenance. Extensive laboratory testing has confirmed its high burst resistance and superior dirt-holding capacity under demanding driving conditions. This is the ideal option for those who prioritize smooth lubrication and a stress-free oil change experience every single time they work on their car. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Purolator Car Oil Filter. The Purolator Boss is the ultimate heavy-duty choice for enthusiasts who push their vehicles to the absolute limit through towing or off-roading. It utilizes a state-of-the-art smart fusion full synthetic media that is capable of maintaining its cleaning integrity for an impressive 20,000 miles. With the ability to stop over 99% of microscopic contaminants, it ensures your engine remains pristine even in the harshest environments you might encounter. The unit is reinforced with a heavy-duty steel casing and a double-helix center tube to provide maximum structural strength against high-pressure surges. To prevent the dangers of a dry start, it features a premium silicone valve that keeps oil circulating properly the moment you turn the key. The specialized PoroSeal gasket provides a leak-proof fit that is resistant to extreme heat and chemicals, making this the most robust filtration solution for high-mileage drivers and professional haulers. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.